Hey, I'm Art. I'm City boardwalk. That's why I stumbled upon it. I just noticed they had a bathroom. There's the one on 10th Street. There's a big old gale force. I'm not gonna get over there to get date, but I presume that's from 2022. This is just a clip of it. I can go over. But I'll show you on the 11th. Because I got another one there. And it's at a hotel. So there's also a brand new XR. There's two. And back again. I'm on 11th. I had to go a different day. My grandpa picked me up on 10th after something that we were at. Look at that. Got an XR over there. And I noticed those bathroom things are only on 10th and 11th. So I filmed the one on 10th. There's a Rainbird ESP over there, I think. The hotel has a brand new XR. I think it was actually added. I saw this the other day. Hunter? I didn't look fast enough. No, it was Rainbird. I saw it. There's the new XR. If I go higher up, maybe you won't see it. There's the 11th Street one. Oh, they're all running today, I think. Actually, except the small XR. The big XR is the only new one. So here's a Goodman GSX, 2-stage Goodman. Oh, that looks awesome at 4K. Got a Goodman over there. We got the small XR, the new XR, and an American Standard. We also got the split unit here. Yeah. Alright, and I don't want to get the date because, someone's going to see me and really, get bothered by it. Here's Castaway Cove. Yeah, I was here the other day. Smell soft pretzels. In case you're wondering, yeah, that blue coaster I talked about, that's Gale Force all the way up there. Oh. Something with mine. This Goodman seems to be off. I heard it going yesterday. There it is. I just don't want to get the date off it. I can see it, I think. I don't know. But there they are.